In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PPF calculator in Microsoft Excel. We're going to keep this simple and practical, so by the end of this process, you'll have a basic calculator that can estimate the maturity value of a PPF investment directly inside Excel. This is useful if you want a quick way to project how your yearly contributions may grow over time using a fixed interest rate and a set investment period. To begin, open the Excel file where you want to build the calculator. You can use a blank worksheet or an existing file as long as you have space to enter the values and the final result. Starting with a clean layout usually makes the calculator easier to read and update later. Next, set up your data by entering the key values you'll need for the calculation. These are the annual investment amount, the interest rate, and the number of years. Make sure each of these values is placed in its own cell so Excel can reference them correctly in the formula. It also helps to label each value clearly so you always know which cell contains the annual contribution, which one contains the interest rate, and which one contains the total investment duration. Once your data is in place, click on an empty cell where you want the maturity result to appear. This is the cell that will display the estimated future value of the PPF investment. In that result cell, type the formula using Excel's FV function. Enter it as equals, then FV, open parenthesis, the cell containing the interest rate divided by 100, comma, the cell containing the years, comma, a negative sign followed by the cell containing the annual investment, comma, 0, and then close parenthesis. This formula tells Excel to calculate the future value based on the interest rate, the number of years, and the annual payment amount. The negative sign before the annual investment is important because Excel treats contributions as cash outflows. The 0 at the end represents the present value, meaning you're calculating based only on the yearly investments and not adding an initial lump sum. After you press enter, Excel will automatically calculate the estimated value of the PPF investment at maturity. If you change the annual investment, interest rates, or number of years later, the result will update instantly, which makes this a very convenient calculator to reuse. And that's it. You now have a simple PPF calculator in Microsoft Excel that's easy to maintain, quick to update, and helpful for planning long-term savings.